boy, something's gone wrong again, hasn't it? Ooh, a shapeless blob! Oh no, I'm in another glitch game! Back, you demons! Come on, guys, if you don't fight back, then I just look like a jerk. Tari, is that you? Don't worry, I'm coming! Yeah! Hey, Elder Tomato, you got any hints?
Feeling stuck? You can change the difficulty level anytime in the settings menu.
Don't patronize me! What am I, a casual? Ha! Puzzles are easy! Should probably test this first.
Press the A button when near a wall to jump on.
Perfect!
No, I'm sorry.